In the realm of personal finance, reaching the first $10,000 is often seen as a pivotal milestone, yet many overlook its significance. A common misconception is that financial success is solely defined by larger sums, such as six-figure incomes or hefty investment portfolios. However, the $10,000 mark serves as a crucial foundation for building wealth and establishing financial stability. Achieving this milestone can dramatically shift one's financial mindset, instilling a sense of accomplishment and confidence that propels individuals toward further financial goals. It represents not just a number, but a transformative moment that opens up new opportunities, such as investing, saving for emergencies, or even pursuing entrepreneurial ventures. This initial achievement can foster a positive relationship with money, encouraging individuals to adopt better financial habits and strategies. As we delve deeper into this topic, we will explore the emotional and practical benefits that come with reaching the $10,000 goal. The journey to this milestone can evoke feelings of pride and motivation, while also providing a tangible sense of security. It lays the groundwork for future financial endeavors, allowing individuals to envision a brighter financial future. By understanding the importance of this milestone, we can appreciate how it not only impacts our bank accounts, but also influences our overall approach to personal finance. Join us as we unpack the significance of hitting that first $10,000 and how it can serve as a launching pad for greater financial achievements. Reaching the $10,000 mark in personal finance represents more than just a numerical achievement. It signifies a profound psychological shift from 4 to 5 digits in a bank account. This transition often breaks significant mental barriers that can hinder financial progress. The moment individuals see that 5-digit figure, it can evoke feelings of accomplishment and validation, reinforcing the belief that they are capable of managing their finances effectively. This milestone encourages a shift in mindset, transforming how one views money and financial possibilities. The importance of cultivating sound financial habits cannot be overstated in this journey. Consistent saving, budgeting, and mindful spending are essential practices that pave the way to reaching this goal. By developing these habits, individuals not only accumulate wealth, but also build a strong foundation for future financial success. Achieving the $10,000 milestone often leads to increased confidence and motivation, inspiring individuals to set and pursue even more ambitious financial goals. This newfound confidence can propel them to explore investment opportunities, save for significant purchases, or even embark on entrepreneurial ventures. The psychological benefits of hitting this milestone extend beyond the bank balance. They foster a proactive approach to personal finance, encouraging individuals to take charge of their financial futures. As we explore the implications of this achievement, it becomes clear that reaching $10,000 is not just about the money itself, but about the empowerment and motivation it instills, setting the stage for a lifetime of financial growth and success. Compound interest is a powerful financial concept that plays a crucial role in wealth building, especially after reaching the $10,000 milestone. Defined simply, compound interest is the interest calculated on the initial principal, which also includes all the accumulated interest from previous periods. This means that as your investment grows, the interest you earn begins to generate its own interest, creating a snowball effect that can significantly increase your wealth over time. A prime example of the benefits of compounding can be seen in the investment strategies of Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in history. Buffett often emphasizes the importance of starting early, as the longer your money has to compound, the more substantial the growth. For instance, if you invest $10,000 at an average annual return of 7% in just 30 years, that initial investment could grow to over $76,000, thanks to the power of compounding. This illustrates how time and patience can lead to remarkable financial outcomes. Therefore, it's essential to encourage viewers to start investing as early as possible, even if it's a modest amount. The earlier you begin to invest, the more time your money has to work for you, maximizing your returns and setting the stage for future financial success. By understanding and leveraging the concept of compound interest, individuals can transform their financial landscape, making their money work harder and smarter over the long term. Reaching the $10,000 milestone in personal finance can significantly boost one's confidence in managing finances, especially in a world where social media often portrays wealth in unrealistic ways. Many influencers showcase lavish lifestyles, leading to the misconception that financial success is only defined by extravagant spending or large sums of money. However, the reality is that a substantial number of Americans face financial struggles. According to recent statistics, nearly 40% of Americans would struggle to cover a $400 emergency expense, highlighting the financial challenges many encounter daily. In this context, achieving $10,000 is not just a number. It represents a critical step toward financial stability and independence. Celebrating this milestone is essential, as it signifies a commitment to better financial habits and a proactive approach to managing money. This achievement can instill a sense of pride and accomplishment, reinforcing the belief that individuals can take control of their financial futures. It serves as a reminder that wealth is not solely about the flashy lifestyles often depicted online, but rather about building a solid foundation for oneself. By recognizing the significance of reaching $10,000, individuals can shift their focus from comparison to personal growth, fostering a healthier relationship with money. This newfound confidence can empower them to set and pursue further financial goals, ultimately leading to greater financial literacy and success. Embracing this milestone is a vital step in the journey toward financial empowerment and stability. An emergency fund of $10,000 plays a crucial role in providing financial security, acting as a form of financial self-insurance. This fund is designed to cover unexpected expenses, such as medical emergencies, car repairs, or job loss, which can otherwise derail one's financial stability. Having this cushion allows individuals to navigate life's uncertainties without resorting to high-interest debt or depleting savings meant for other goals. Personally, I recall a time when my car broke down unexpectedly, and the repair costs exceeded $1,200. Without an emergency fund, I would have faced significant stress, potentially relying on credit cards or loans to cover the expense. Instead, I was able to tap into my emergency savings, which not only alleviated the financial burden, but also provided peace of mind during a stressful situation. This experience reinforced the importance of having a financial cushion to absorb life's surprises. The psychological benefits of an emergency fund cannot be overstated. It reduces anxiety and allows individuals to focus on their long-term financial goals rather than worrying about immediate financial crises. By maintaining a $10,000 emergency fund, individuals can feel more secure in their financial decisions, knowing they have a safety net to fall back on. This financial preparedness fosters a sense of control and confidence, enabling people to face unexpected challenges with resilience. Ultimately, an emergency fund is not just a financial tool. It's a vital component of a stress-free and secure financial future. Having $10,000 in savings significantly enhances decision-making and opens up a world of opportunities. Financial security allows individuals to be more selective about the choices they make, whether in their personal or professional lives. When people have a solid financial cushion, they can afford to be pickier about the opportunities they pursue, rather than feeling pressured to accept the first option that comes their way. This shift is crucial. Instead of simply opting for the cheapest alternatives, individuals can focus on seeking value and quality. For instance, when considering job offers, someone with a financial safety net might prioritize roles that align with their career aspirations and personal values, rather than just accepting a position based on salary alone. This approach leads to more fulfilling and sustainable choices. Moreover, having $10,000 allows individuals the freedom to pursue long-term goals without the constant weight of financial pressure. Whether it's starting a business, going back to school, or investing in personal development, the ability to take calculated risks becomes more attainable. This financial flexibility fosters a mindset geared toward growth and exploration, rather than survival. It empowers individuals to invest in themselves and their futures, knowing they have the resources to weather any short-term setbacks. Ultimately, the presence of $10,000 in savings transforms the way people approach opportunities, enabling them to make informed decisions that align with their long-term aspirations and values, leading to a more fulfilling and secure financial future. Reaching the $10,000 milestone in savings opens up a world of meaningful investment opportunities that can significantly enhance one's financial future. When individuals have less than $10,000, they often face limitations in their investment options. Many investment platforms have minimum requirements that can restrict access to certain funds or opportunities. making it challenging to diversify and grow wealth effectively. However, with $10,000, individuals can explore a variety of investment avenues, such as index funds, which offer a low-cost way to invest in a broad market. Index funds are known for their potential to provide steady returns over time, making them an excellent choice for those looking to build wealth without taking on excessive risk. Additionally, having this amount allows individuals to consider side hustles or entrepreneurial ventures that require initial capital. Whether it's starting an online business, investing in a course to enhance skills, or purchasing equipment for a freelance gig, the possibilities are vast. Encouraging viewers to see their money working for them is essential. Investing is not just about saving, but about making informed choices that can yield returns over time. By leveraging the $10,000 milestone, individuals can take calculated risks that align with their interests and goals, ultimately leading to greater financial independence. This shift in mindset transforms the way people view their finances, empowering them to take control of their financial destiny and create opportunities that can lead to long-term wealth and fulfillment. Reaching the $10,000 milestone can significantly alleviate the financial stress and anxiety that many people experience on a daily basis. For countless individuals, the constant worry about making ends meet, covering unexpected expenses, or managing debt can create a heavy burden that affects both mental and emotional well-being. This financial strain often leads to sleepless nights and a pervasive sense of insecurity. However, having $10,000 in savings provides a crucial buffer that can bring peace of mind and clarity to financial decisions. With this safety net, individuals can approach their finances with a greater sense of confidence, knowing they have resources to draw upon in times of need. This newfound security allows for more thoughtful decision-making, as people are less likely to act out of desperation or fear. Instead of worrying about immediate financial pressures, they can focus on long-term goals and opportunities. Moreover, reaching this milestone encourages a shift from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset. When individuals feel financially secure, they begin to see possibilities rather than limitations. They can invest in their education, explore new career paths, or even take calculated risks in their personal or professional lives. This transformation in perspective fosters a healthier relationship with money, allowing individuals to view it as a tool for growth and opportunity rather than a source of stress. Ultimately, achieving the $10,000 mark not only alleviates financial anxiety, but also empowers individuals to embrace a more positive and proactive approach to their financial futures. In summary, reaching the $10,000 milestone in personal finance can have a transformative impact on your financial journey. This achievement not only signifies a solid foundation for building wealth, but also enhances your confidence in managing finances. We've discussed how hitting this mark alleviates financial stress, opens up meaningful investment opportunities, and encourages a shift from a scarcity mindset to one of abundance. With $10,000 in savings, you can make informed decisions, pursue long-term goals, and explore various investment avenues, such as index funds or side hustles, that can further enhance your financial future. Now is the time to take actionable steps towards saving and investing. Start by setting a savings goal, creating a budget, or exploring investment options that align with your financial aspirations. Remember, every small step counts, and consistency is key to reaching that $10,000 milestone. We encourage you to engage with this content by subscribing to our channel for more valuable financial insights. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these discussions. Your support helps us create more content that empowers individuals to take control of their financial futures. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.